everyone, welcome back to my Apple Watch tutorial videos. On this video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps like Breathe or Keynote and other useless apps that take up space and deplete your battery life. So what you do for this is you find the app you want to delete. Here's Keynote at the bottom right. What I'm going to do is lightly press the app icon. So now you see them shaking. And then after that, I press the X on the icon I want to delete. It's going to ask me this. Are you sure you want to delete Keynote? Of course I'm sure. Let me show you with the RBC app as well. So I might not want to use this banking app because I use something else. So what do? I lightly press. Now it's shaking. I press the X. Am I sure I want to delete RBC Mobile? I'm pretty sure. So I delete. And here's the thing. These apps are still on your iPhone. So if you want to reinstall them, there's a process for that as well. And that'll be a future video. Until then, take care and take it easy.